Hello students, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to on E Academy 123. Today we will discuss a mind-blowing program in Python. So here we will discuss using Python program how to find the phone number, country and phone number time zone as well as the phone number provider. Yes, your mobile number provider, it does mean ISP also you can find out. So in this video we will discuss at lastly we will able to find out which country as well as the which service provider for this particular mobile number, as well as we will find out this mobile number lies in which time zone. Like in Asia we are living, we are Indian, so we will use this Calcutta. So such a we will discuss in this video. Okay, so if you are newcomer, then just like this video after finding something interesting, and first of all I request you just subscribe this channel. So let's start. First of all, you go to here, type ideally. Yes, you have type ideally. First of all, you have to install Python in your computer, okay, or laptop or whatever. So here I have already installed Python. Okay, and how to install Python? You can go to the description box and open the link and follow the process and install this thing. Okay, first of all, come here, new files. Okay, I am taking a new file, and this is the nothing but write the name and I am saving this file. Okay, I wrote my number. Okay, desktop one file, make a folder. If you want to, here is the desktop. Go to how to make the folder, go to new and folder, Python module programming, or anyway whatever you want to give it name. Okay, and just double click on it, so this folder will open. Double click on it, this folder will open, and here the name of your file, just you can say mobile.py. py extension why we use, because we are dealing with Python files. Okay, so I have used the mobile.py. Okay, and for this go to here the save, and after that here your Python file has been prepared, and here you have to import a module. What is the module? Phone number. Okay, phone numbers, this module I have to import, phone numbers module, and inside this, after importing this module, you have to go, let's say nothing but number whatever you can pass a number in simple way, and 95162102009, this is my number. 2 and 3 5, yes, yes, this is my number, and I want to find out what is the thing, and everyone here. Okay, let's start, and from here I will type from phone numbers, or just copy this thing, phone numbers. I will import. What will I import? Yes, phone numbers, and in this phone number I will import nothing but geocoder. What will happen? Geocoder will give the information about what we need. Okay, and here you will find ch, or you can take any number anyway. You can take the number, character number, or anyway whatever you can put. Ch number equal to, here you will put phone numbers, and after the phone number you have to parse it, because it needs the decoding from string to integer. Okay, so number in ch way, character way. Okay, already character 2 we have to percent, yeah. So what will happen? The number which is in the form of a string, it will convert into the digit, and that digit will be stored in this variable ch underscore number. You can take any other number, or any name, whatever. Ch number you can simple take mobile number also, only your mobile number also you can take this thing. Okay, after that you have to print what you get in this variable. So how will you print out? Nothing but copy this thing, and how to print this thing, what a number you will, so nothing but you have to lay the geocoder, put here geocoder, and after printing geocoder you will find dot description. Okay, dot description. After the description, use for, use underscore number, what the number I want to description, and under what we have copied the mobile number, sorry, geocoder, what I have copied, this is the mobile number, just copy it, same thing, and put here, because just you have to follow my steps. Okay, and after that, in which language you need it, in English, so put passing here in English. Okay, after doing this thing, you have to nothing but, so let's give the two space. Here you will print the nothing but the geocoder description, which number is India, or whatever it is, the give the country number. Okay, country description, and it is already you have passed the plus 91. Okay, or whatever your country number you can pass here, and after that you have to import from, just in phone number, copy this phone number and paste here, import the carrier. This is the most important thing, carrier. What is the carrier? Just which ISP, internet service provider, or your mobile number provider, which provider, Idea, Airtel, or whatever. I am not taking any number. So you have to the provider, or you, so your vendor. Okay, service provider you can write here, service provider. Okay, this is your name, service provider, and equal to pass your phone number. You have to again parse out inside it, which thing you will parse out, number, and which number, this is the, okay, because I have to parse out this number, what, dot in which mode. Okay, R0 you have to put here, and after the passing this thing, this is the service provider number, and just take the print out, what you print, and inside print you will pass, inside print, what, carrier name, carrier dot name for what, number, and inside you will pass the service provider, nothing but this is the service provider. You have to pass the service provider in which language, in English, pass here, it is the in English. Okay, and after doing that, nothing but, if you take a more than something, so import another thing, import what, just copy the phone numbers, passing this thing. Okay, not which thing I will pass here, just put not carrier, I will import the time zone. Here I will pass the time zone. Okay, and after that you will do, you can take phone capital number, you can take this, because I have this name variable, and here the pass you will copy this thing and again paste number, again parse, because this string must be converted into the digital, into the digit number. Okay, this is the perfect thing, and after that you have to pass time zone, it is your time zone variable, and here you will pass which time zone you have imported. Just copy, okay, and paste time zone dot extract the time, okay, time underscore zones for what, for numbers, okay, for number. And which number, friends? Phone numbers. Which number, friends? Phone number. Just we have use here, which have just use here, okay. After doing that, nothing but just print the this variable, time zone variable, okay. Just print time zone, okay. After doing this is the coding part, okay. And after doing this coding part, we will discuss what is the actually is working or not. Just to go to the run. I am making mistake, okay. This is the here the, and no module phone numbers, no module phone number. Copy this thing, control C, and go to the your start button and type here CMD, ensuring your here the opening the command prompt, and here the run as administrator here, and ensuring that your internet connection or your laptop or system or computer are must be connected to the internet, so that during this process, otherwise your program will not work. And here fire one command, pip install, and what install? Phone number, and hit enter. After that a few seconds, it will give a installation. So here the installation process is going on. In same way you have to do, okay. One wheel file is downloading here, and in a few seconds it will install. Same process you have to follow. And if you finding something interesting, then just like this video, okay. It is successfully installed, okay. It is already installed successfully. And this statement you can ignore, because for it is only nothing but the higher version for pip. And type here exit, you go to the exit, and again cut it, and again run it, and again run it, friends. And after you run, and India, yes, my number is India, and idea and time zone is the Asia Calcutta, yes. And some time zone, if I change it from like that 44, it is the country number, okay. And just run it, nothing but it is the okay. After that this, and here you go to the run, and here go to, yes, United Kingdom, for yeah, I don't know which service provider, Europe, and here is the time zone, okay. And if you change some number from this, let's say 45, okay, 45, and control S, it is the only the dummy number, nothing but okay. It is also unknown number, because this is not valid, but and if you find something interesting, then just like. Thank you, bye bye. We will